Alright, look at this. Beautiful lobby. Wow! There's a breakfast area right there. But first we're going to take a ride, but we'll have to take a ride on these elevators. This is here at the Courtyard Marriott Hotel in downtown Margaritaville, America. These are same like looks like a Schindler to me. These are the elevators here. These are Schindler 700A with innovation universal features. What's this one? G? Here we go. Here are G, which is the garage level. See, this is the garage where you park your cars. 17. Right, here we go. Here's 17. It's nice for a hallway. TJ, what do you think of this hotel? It's very, very nice. Alright. Down to L, and then there. We got something. The 10 on the fornicator. Here are L, which is the lobby level. Right, here we are, and that's it. And thanks for watching.